All right, it's October 26th, and I finally got the second bike finished. This is the Mongoose that I bought for 75 bucks, and a lot of tie wrap, a lot of tie wrap in these wires. That's one of the maybe the aggravating thing, that some of these wires aren't hidden, like they sort of need to be hidden away. But anyway, very happy again. Wish that this had the LED speedometer and all included. This particular wheel did not have that for the fat bike. So this bike in particular does not have a speedometer, doesn't have the power ranges. It's just pretty much high or low, or go in between, anywhere in between. Got my little $10 headlight for it. Again, walmart.com, $10. It's 12 volt. It goes all the way up to 48 volts. So that's what we got. So the exact amount of money I have into this, I'm not positive, but I think I'm pretty clear to say less than $650. I was gonna say 600, but I just can't quite remember. So I'm gonna say less than 650. But yeah, very happy with the results. All right, later.